Main Mas.
Hari ini nggak main Pak. Kita support dari samping. Support. Harus selalu support teman-teman.
Mana doi? Menghitung hari.
Kedengeran nggak deg-degan orang? Hah? Kedengeran nggak deg-degan? Iya, kedengeran. Menghitung hari, detik demi detik.
Tuh biasanya kalau mendekati Hamin nih, Hamin berapa berarti doi?
4.
Hamin 4 apa nih? Kemarin sama nggak?
Sama deg-degan, lebih ke ingin melepas penat nanti di malam malam pertama tidur. Anjing sih mungkin nih.
Bang. Bang. Lawan kita sekarang siapa Bang?
Mantan sih.
Tahu banyak berarti Bang?
Wah, udah berbeda ya.
Udah berbeda. Tapi harapannya Bang buat scrimmage kali ini?
Harapannya buat kita ya pasti menang, terus belajar dari apapun itu, kesalahan, bagus dan jelek. Yang penting kita belajar lagi. Kita harus menang. Itu dia.
Halo Bandung.
Ini playlistnya emang apa sih ini? Playlistnya apa
Every scrimmage game. Halo Bandung. Let's go. Welcome to Bandung. Harum. Nah.
PUBG. Beb.
They say you die when you don't dream. Guess I'm alive cause I still believe. Look at the sky, turn what you see. I see stars that look like me. Take a guess how I live. Bet every time you be wrong, you couldn't walk a mile in these kicks. You don't even know place that bet that you know I win. Say that you're crushing, you don't know pressure. I'm here for the bank, you're here for the extra. Just me and the family, don't need no extra. It's the ones that I love that I treat like treasure. Fed up, I'm really fed up. I hear the sides out, I never said much. I'm really fed up, I had to fall back so I could step up. Come on, this road, get I take some time and I had nothing more. Go hard like I got something to prove. I get up, I go hard till the day. All those lines, they made me the man. From the start, I stand today. I go hard as I can. Couldn't wait to see Friday. Back when things were going sideways. Now I do things my way, and it's fast. Making sure I don't fail. she went hard when I did it. I was patient and waited. Now it's my turn to win. Move like a man, I'm never going back again. Fed up, I'm really fed up. I hit a side top, I never said much. Fed up, I'm really fed up. I had to fall back, so I just step up. Come on, let's walk, get the
Just on 3, 1, 2, 3. Jamarr!
Good game today for us. Slow start, but we picked it up in the second quarter. Third quarter, we got a better rhythm. But in the end of the game, we didn't finish as strong as we wanted to. But for our first scrimmage, I think it's some things we can take away that are positive. But overall, we got a lot of improvement to do as a team, so me included. So yeah, one game at a time. But I'm glad we got the win and keep getting better. Yeah.